Yo guys, what's up? It's Nick, and in this video, I'm going to show you guys some of my Hypebeast pickups I've gotten throughout the last few days. So without further ado, let's get into it. Alright guys, starting off with the package from Supreme, I'm going to open it up and show you guys what it is.
Blizzard is actually flick, cigarette ash shit, bitch, niggas harassment, 8 nickels a hash, delay.
Alright, and this is an item that was supposed to be really hyped up, but the resale isn't that good on it. And it is, of course, the Supreme Windbreaker. I'll open it up and show you guys real fast.
With haze and fillets, sentences, and vast apathy, smashing a man camera.
And here guys, take a little closer look. As you can see, it does have the large Supreme branding right on the chest, and no other branding around the rest of the windbreaker. And it's a windbreaker. I don't really need one. I should have got the green one because the green one's selling for like $270, and this one's only selling for like $230 right now, I believe. So not the best in terms of resale, but it is a dope piece. And let's get on to the next item. Alright guys, up next for my Hypebeast pickups is, of course, the most hyped up item of this month by far, and it is the Jordan 1 Homage to Holmes. And honestly, this shoe is it's a pretty sick concept. It has the Chicago on this side, obviously, and the band one on this side. Some of the things that a lot of people didn't expect about this is that the quality on it is amazing. A lot of people thought that the quality would only be good on the numbered pairs, but if you feel it, it feels like almost as good, if not better than the Jordan 1 Bread Toe, which people are saying is shattered backboard. So I'm assuming these are shattered backboards. I don't actually have them. But some of the things that are really cool for me about it is that I don't believe that there's any Chicago ones that are tumbled. So it's actually really cool to see that they would actually put the tumbled on this side also. The red is the same on the Chicago and the band, which normally the Chicago is a lighter red and less varsity than the band. But it is a sick shoe and a sick concept. Yeah, there's nothing else really to say about it. It's a dope shoe. I was able to get 3 pairs. I know a lot of people struck out though. So better luck next time, I guess. And resale, if you guys want these shoes, buy them right now, because the price is at $280, I believe, and it was just at like $210 yesterday. So the price is gonna soar up probably to like $500 within the month. So be on the lookout for that. And if you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like, subscribe.